Hey guys, Rick Kern at TV Scaly Adventures. I want to show you something cool. One of our sponsors is Coast Flashlights, Coast Portland to be exact. And what's cool about them is they've been a long supporter of us. And this is going to be kind of weird because I'm going to show you something that they've probably never shown you that their flashlights can do. So I have with me the lovely Miss Snuggles. She is our 12-foot reticulated python. She's a real sweetheart, but she has something very cool about her that she will iridesce. And this flashlight, because it has this LED strip on the side, gives us the ability to show her iridescing. It's really so cool. And so we get a chance to show the students this. It really helps us a lot. It also helps us to illuminate our lizards and that. But it's also got a couple of other things that are very handy too. Like when we're loading the car at 0:30 in the morning to head to a school, they start so early. They also have on here a focusing light, which is really helpful, and it comes down into 3 different beams so that you don't have to be constantly blind. And if you drive old cars like we do, then the other helpful thing is knowing that if something goes wrong on the side of the road, you can just put this up, and it's got this cool magnetic thing on the bottom which can stick to the top of your car to help the tow truck find it. Or if you need to find Snuggles in the back, you can just use this light. And check it out on TikTok because she does do that. She is, as you can tell, rather rambunctious. So anyway, hey, it's kind of an odd flashlight review, but I just thought it was kind of cool. It's the PX250 from our friends at Coast Portland. Check them out. Oh, thank you for the kisses, Snuggles.
We got to talk about boundaries.
Yeah, I know. I love you too.